India. A billion people. Numerous faiths. And innumerable cuisines. There is deliciousness everywhere. From streets to restaurants to fine dining spaces, India loves its food. In 2017, the Indian foodie has one more option to choose from. The food truck. Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru or Goa. There has been an explosion in the food truck universe. Here, you'll get the classics. But can you go gourmet on a food truck? This question will be answered on Fem Foodies, Asia's first ever food truck reality show. Let's meet our tremendously talented top 10 cooks from across the country.
My name is Yogita and I'm 21 years old. I've been a foodie since childhood and I've always dreamt of having my food truck. I feel totally blessed to be on this show.
I'm Juhi Jamba. I'm a sports PR agent from New Delhi. For me, there are two things that I'm extremely passionate about. One is football, the other is food.
This is Akanksha from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. I like to cook and make everyone happy, whomsoever I hang out with.
I'm Kiran Makhija, I'm 30. And I've always wanted to have a restaurant of my own. And the whole idea of wanting to do that was because I really love serving to people.
My name is Tarana Badshah. I'm from Bombay. I had told this to myself before coming here and I'm still on to the same thing that if I win, so it's good enough, I'm sorted for life.
This is Nishtha Chaudhary and I've done my restaurant management from Le Cordon Bleu, Paris. I have this little food dream of having a restaurant someday which is gourmet and fast food at the same time.
My name is Absita. I am currently living in Kolkata, but I grew up in Malaysia most of my life. And I am here because I want to learn about food and how portion control is, I think, the biggest important element that I want to know about.
We were getting closer to the shore and suddenly this girl sees this there's this dashing man just standing there, you know, like this. With this scarf flowing in the wind and a nice shirt and this tall man and wondering who is that, and suddenly as we got closer we recognized him, Chef Ranveer.
Ingredients, equipment, chemistry, imagination. A chef in the kitchen uses all of this to create magic on a plate. For him, a chef is an artist.
We all got off the board and we suddenly had these butterflies getting into our stomach.
So this is it. This is the start of your incredible food journey. But in this food journey, I have two amazing co-judges that I want to introduce you to. Now, talking about our first co-judge, she's a chef, a wine connoisseur. She is the most amazing food stylist that I have met. Well, introducing Shagun Mehra.
Love your ingredients. Indian or international? Trust your ingredients. Make it your friend. It is the ingredient that will give you the vision, the secret to a great dish.
Thank you, Ranveer, for your gracious words, and I welcome you all to Goa.
Now it's time to introduce the second co-judge. She is the youngest and the most successful female chef in India, Anahita Dhoni.
The kitchen fire tests you every day. One small mistake and your plate gets rejected. My mantra of success? Master your technique and practice it every day.
You are the 10 most unique, talented and beautiful women today here in front of us. You've been chosen out of 1.2 billion people. We're so happy to have you here. By the end of Fem Foodies, you'll be inspirational role models for women all over India, and not just women, but everyone in the country. I wish you all the best. And as we say in Gujarati, chalo jamba chalo ji, which means let's eat and celebrate.
The next 6 weeks are going to be the most important weeks of your life. You're going to be put through various challenges, various culinary tasks that are going to test your limits.
This is not going to be an easy task. You will have to show us your individual creativity.
It's going to be back-breaking. There are going to be days when you're going to feel very low. But that dish is what's going to decide your fate on this show.
It's going to be extremely difficult to impress these judges, especially from the backgrounds with which they come. However, we don't know what they're looking for. We don't know what they're judging on at all.
Now for the most important part, to tell you what is it that we are looking for. The first parameter that we're going to judge you is vision.
You make a pani puri or a panna cotta, a ravioli or a rabdi, a bruschetta or even a baigan ka bharta. Everything needs a vision. No vision, no path, no direction, there's no dish.
When I heard about vision, that worried me a little bit. So I think I have to up my game on that. That's the first thought that came to my head for vision.
Now the next parameter that we're looking for is technique.
Every single recipe has a method, and every method has a particular technique. It could be in an old knife or even a new one. It could even be in your grandmother's old recipe and you recreating it.
Technique is ultimately what would set us apart from home chefs to becoming something more professional.
With the right vision, with the right technique, you are ready to elevate your dish to the next level. And that is what we are looking for. We are looking for expression.
Vision, technique, and expression. These are terms and thoughts and concepts that we've known and we've understood for so long, but to be able to relate them to food is something entirely new and very interesting.
So there it is. That's a game plan, and those are the rules we play by. The rules are clear?
Yes, yes, chef.
Are you excited?
Yes, chef.
Because we are super excited. Right? Keep that excitement going. We're going to see you tomorrow morning with an exciting and a very, 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 very interesting challenge. Good night.